Hello, Elizabeth here from Beauty Boss Academy, and today I'm going to walk you through how to do a lash shampoo at home to keep your lash extensions clean and healthy and beautiful. It's important to shampoo your lashes every single day. Even if you don't wear any makeup, your natural oils and dust can still get in there and cause a buildup that can cause eye infections and make your lash extensions fall out quicker. So it's really important to get in there and give them a good cleanse every single day. The first step is to remove all of your makeup using an oil-free, water-based makeup remover. You want to avoid using anything cotton-based like a pad or a swab around your eyes because the cotton fibers can get caught in your lashes. So you want to use a fiberless cleansing wand in your immediate eye area to really get in there and remove any trace of makeup. Once all of your makeup is removed, the next step is to apply some foam lash shampoo onto each eye. Take a cleansing wand and use a downward sweeping motion to cleanse your lashes. You want to avoid using a swirling or back and forth motion because that can tug on your lash extensions and pull them off prematurely. When you're finished shampooing your lashes, rinse them with water and pat your face dry with a towel. You can gently blink onto a sponge to absorb any big droplets of water. And the final step is to take your blow dryer on the coolest setting and dry your lashes while brushing through them with a spoolie to make them nice and fluffy. Once your lashes are thoroughly cleansed, you are ready for bed. Try to sleep on your back and don't put too much pressure on your lash extensions so you can maintain their beautiful shape. And remember, never put any mascara on your lash extensions. Good night.